Thanks, Kelly. And some of those downed trees in Balboa Park and across the county had been reported prior to yesterday's high winds.
Some people say the agencies they reported these trees to were ignored their worries, which could have prevented the damage. CBS 8's Abby Black is working for you to find out why nothing was done.
People who walk Balboa Park and one woman who had a tree fall into her driveway tell me that they've reported these leaning, decaying trees. They were worried that something like this would happen. We're working for you to find out how you can get attention on your tree concerns.
It has about 250 photos.
In David Perry's tree album is a picture of this pine tree that fell near the Marston house before high winds whipped through Balboa Park on Thursday.
I took this photo at 8:45 a.m. yesterday. I submitted it and called Parks and Recreation to say it's about to fall.
But Perry showed me that he first reported his concerns about this leaning pine on the City of San Diego's Get It Done app 10 days ago, and it says the case is closed with no explanation.
With trees and most other reports through Get It Done, you don't receive anything but standard response from their database, and it's anyone's guess what that actually means.
Perry says that same thing happened with a palm that fortunately is still standing next to this massive eucalyptus that came crashing down in Balboa Park, injuring a woman. He worries, what about the next wind event?
Here we are year after year with a decaying situation, not a growing situation.
This isn't just a city issue. This 80-foot eucalyptus on San Pasqual Valley Road in Escondido fell onto Kim Billman's driveway yesterday.
We've been dreading it for the last 3 years. We knew it was going to happen and reported it, but it never got taken down.
The trees on Caltrans property. We reached out to the state agency for an answer. In part, a spokesperson says in November of 2022, our crews went out and inspected the tree in question as part of our annual tree inspection. The tree was in fact healthy. A tree can only be removed if it shows signs of compromised health or structural damage, or if it obstructs or impedes the safety of motorists or pedestrians. We're working for you on how to get attention to your tree concerns for those on Caltrans and city properties. Through Caltrans, you can submit a customer service request online under the landscaping section. They say hazards are prioritized. Perry just hopes that the aftermath from Thursday's Santa Ana's will put the city on alert.
It only takes one branch to cause an accident, and that's one too many.
At Balboa Park, I'm Abby Black, CBS 8.
You heard from Caltrans in Abby's story. She also reached out to the city of San Diego starting at 9:45 this morning. We went back and forth 5 times today via email and text and still got no response. We'll keep working for you on this story and keep you updated.